Hey everyone, I'm so confused. Instead of going to my show, 5 minutes of nothing. I'll talk about whatever's on my mind and how I'm going forward with it. So don't mind me, I'm holding my phone, so it's going to be hard to stay put. But right now, I have been thinking a lot. I hate overthinking, but I think it's part of who I am at this point. One thing that I thought of recently, aside the ego stuff I talked about on my newsletter, one thing I thought about was reflections. I realized I stopped reflecting, like journaling. I have this calendar stuff I made in January where I talked about um, reflecting on the quarterly goals and everything, and I've stopped it. And there's no doubt that one of the reasons why I'm kind of stuck in a place I don't like personally. So yeah, I want to pick it up back. Although I can't, trying to see how I can fit my schedule, journaling every day. What can I do? Story worthy stuff. It's just those stuff basically. In the meantime, apart from that, reflections. If you're interested in the journal stuff I made in January, I'll put it in the description below so you can download it again. But if you have that, just try it out. Just start reflecting again. I think it will be very helpful. One other thing is, it's funny how peaceful the world is. Not really peaceful, but how peaceful you can be from your perspective if you stay offline. Surprisingly, like I don't. Anytime I come on social media, I always feel obliged to talk about something very cool. Oh, I did this, I did that, I did this. Like everybody's talking about what they did. That's really got my attention. I understand it's normal. But like me, lately I haven't been doing much. I just design every day, go for German classes, and yeah, I'm trying to understand and enjoy the boring work, the same boring thing I do every single day, you know. But it seems like if you come online, it's like you're not doing anything because everybody's doing something amazing, that kind of thing. And I just started to like make sure I'm enjoying the process. That's how I'm looking at it. Yes, sir. So from there, I think that's like the start. Going forward might be easier, I'm not sure. But I really want to start coming back to social media again, like Instagram and Twitter especially. And one other good thing, one other good thing I did. Yeah, I started like reaching out to people again. So there's this guy I found on Medium, and it's really really interesting. I like this content, and seems like a nice guy. And I think we're almost the same age, if not older than me a bit. So I'm having a call with him soon, just to talk and all. So I think I'll be doing that more often. Maybe even a podcast episode. I'll just invite some guests and just talk with them. So I have a friend too. Oh yeah, that's true. I have a friend I want to invite for a podcast invitation. Yeah, okay, that's true. So Designers Diary is turning into a podcast soon. So expect it. Anyways, I don't write a newsletter, so I'm recording this video. Hope it's enough for you to watch. And it's boring, so maybe we have 2 views. Even if you watch it and learn something from it, I guess, just let me know, please. Or not, I don't know. It's your life. I don't have to tell you to let me know. But yeah. What else? That's the sun. Anyways, I'm living in Lagos currently. Lagos, Nigeria. So you can see how dark I am. Nigerian sun is not treating me well. Just kidding anyway. Well, overall, it's nice. Yeah, chicken noise. Chicken noise. I've missed it. It's just nice. Like third time as resumed for the kids in schools. So they're going to school already, and I'm at home every day. So I'm trying to maximize the time I have, balancing the schoolwork and also content creation and all of those stuff. Now, what else? I think that's the major one. Reflecting, like we forget to remind ourselves of the process and how far we've come and where we're going to, because we're only seeing the day-to-day things we're doing, and because of that, we lose track of our goals, and we'll never know we've done that. Thinking about it, so I've realized I've done that a lot this year. But going forward, 6 months away from October, we still have time. Yes, May, June, July, August, September, October. Yeah, 6 months. It's possible we can change our lives in 6 months, and I want to do that. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope we learn something from this. Keep reflecting. Read a book a week or every month or something. Just I want to start using audiobooks too. So yeah, bye.